Welcome back. We're swapping the guides on our snowplow to LED guide lights from Blizzard Dynamics. Let's get this upgrade started. Our son Drew gifted Kevin the lights and offered to help with the install today. Blizzard Dynamics offers a patented LED guide safety system for a wide variety of vehicles. We opted for Indy Pro Blue. First up, we need to remove the factory guides. We remove the rubber snow deflector to run and tuck our wires. Next, we bolt on the brackets and install the new guides. Ready for wiring. We ran our wire between the snow deflector and the blade itself. And instead of tapping into the plow lights, we opted to wire in a switch inside the cab of the truck. Now that most of the wiring is ran, Kevin connects them all and carefully wraps the sections that will be exposed to the snow and debris from the plow. Here we are, wrapping the last exposed section of the wire. Here are our guides and the wrapped wiring, tucked behind the snow deflector, ran through the middle, up along the hydraulic hose, and through the grill with the plow wiring, to the new switch box in the cab. Ready to go? No. We did end up needing the how to bail us out and tell us that we had the switch installed upside down. But here we are. You can't miss us coming. Look at how incredibly bright these Blizzard Dynamic guides are. So cool. We couldn't be happier. Thank you, Drew, for the lights and for your help. Thank you, Hal, for your expertise. Folks, we're going to drop the link to the Blizzard Dynamics below. You're going to want these lights. So let us know what you think about the Indy Pro Glow.